How to create and form an LLC in Idaho. So in today's video, guys, I'm going to show you how to do it easily and fast. First thing you want to do is go into this website. It's called corpnet.com. As you can see, it's a famous website, and also you can trust this website right here. So first thing you want to do is scroll down in the home page. You will find here many states. Choose Idaho like this, and then it will take you directly into this page. Now all what you want to do is scroll down and click get started, and then it will take you into this page right here. Choose the plan that you want. I recommend to choose the deluxe plan because it's kinda cheaper and you will have what you need right here. You can also check things that you want, click continue, and it will take you into the payment page. All what you want to do here is fill your informations like the country, the business address, the name, and all the things. Then click on go to payment to pay this amount, and that's it. Don't forget to like and subscribe.